Morning. It's July the 4th. We've had a terrible drought and now we're getting a lot of rain coming in here. And we've got some of these Hossinator tomatoes turning red on the plant. So we're going to go ahead and harvest them a little bit early. We've got more rain coming in today and tonight. And what we don't want to get is these, or have happen is the tomatoes to start cracking on us. So even if we do get some cracking, we'll at least get these red ones off before that happens. We've actually harvested 2 already. We've had a terrible year this year for gardening, but the Lord's blessed us with things, and we got to be happy. So there's our first, actually our third. We've already harvested 2. We'll see if we can move this thing without cutting the video off. If it shuts off, I apologize. So there's 4. That's the nicest so far. Or maybe that one. And like I say, you can pick your tomatoes before they're fully ripe and bring them in and set them on your counter, and they will continue to ripen. So let's see, I think we have 1 or 2 in here. Showing it. So we'll flip them over, make them look a little better. And there's our first substantial Hossinator tomato harvest. Not quite as big as last year's, but we've not had the perfect growing season we did last year either, but they're pretty nice. Like I say, get them early. If you got rains coming in, and that'll stop them from splitting on you. We had that happen with some cabbages, so we're trying to prevent that from happening on our tomatoes we've waited so long for. Thanks for watching.